Okay, this is really interesting. I have not seen this before, but I don't think you guys have too. There seems to be a 3D image that I need to see. It launches the 3D on top of the box, and then you get a 3D vehicle coming up. That is a bike. Skytron. It's fun, right? Look at that. It's exactly as though it's on top of the box, and you can play with it. Let's hope I can start it up. Oh, that's cool, right? And you get to play with it. So that's how it goes. That's how you get something nice on your box. Okay, interesting. So I'm not good at this. But basically, oh, look at that, and you get drones behind you. Interesting. It's just to start up your phone with the box. Hi, Richard here. Look what I have. This is the ROG Phone 3 that I got from ASUS. It's the new Snapdragon 865 Plus, and it's a 5G model. There are a few models here, and I'll leave a links to the shops that they are selling. So the first model is the ROG Phone 3 Strix edition, which is followed up by ROG Phone 3. So the difference between the Strix edition is just a Snapdragon 865. It's not the Plus edition with 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB storage. And the next one is the ROG Phone 3, which is the Snapdragon 865 Plus with 12 GB of RAM and 512 gigs of storage space. So let's open it up, and you can see the phone is at the back. Actually, normally you have the phone in front. So before you look at that, let's look at this. This is the Aero Cooler, which is supposed to be the add-on to the phone. Okay. And this cooler comes with the headphone jack and the charging Type-C here. So this connects to the phone body. So we put this aside first and see what else is in the box. Okay, so this is the case and some books. This is the back case that comes with it. Beautiful graphics, same as previous year. You have some very nice embossed graphics here. It's a bit thin, maybe to compensate for the weight. What else we have inside? We have the power brick as well as some accessories here. Okay, let's look what we have. These are the rubber doors for the phone at the side in case you lose them. See, in case you want to plug it in and lose, or instead if you want to lose the cover, there's two here for you. And Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and this is the dongle, which is from Type-C to the headphone jack. Right, the power brick is a 30 watt charger, so it's very powerful. So it does give a quick charge to 6000 milliamp hour battery on the phone. So you do need this 30-watt charger to charge up the 6000 there. Else it's going to take very long if you're using 18-watt. So 30-watt comes with it. Right, let's look at the phone itself. Pull it out from the box. It's a beautiful box. And that's the phone. Let's open it up. And it's the same huge size. So it's 6.59 inch AMOLED display with the 144 Hz refresh rate. So it's supposed to have 270 Hz touch sampling and as well as 25 millisecond touch latency. Okay. It's very bright screen, it's very clear. It's large, but there is bezels on the left and the right. Being there's two speakers here, it's actually very stereo. And I'll do the audio test later on. But it's slimmer than the previous model. It feels slimmer on the hand. Previously it feels a bit thick. I think they trim it down. And what we have here is, let's look at the antenna bands, and then there's a mic in, there's an audio mic, at the bottom there's another audio mic there, and then this is the charging port type C, and the volume rocker is on the right side with the power button here with a slight red hinge of tints at the side. And you have another, seems to be a mic here. Right, so there's a ROG engraving here, left side. What else we have at the side? So the SIM card tray, there's dual SIM with no expandable storage. And this is where the port is. Glass cover, you need to pull it out, and you can see the two type C slot here. And the model I have here is with 16 GB DDR5 RAM. It's a lot. It's equal to a laptop, and some laptops are not even that much. So 16 GB with a 512 GB UFS 3.1 storage, and this is the top of the line. 512 GB. I don't think you need a SD card with this, so there's enough RAM and storage here to last you for a long time. And this with the Aero kit, which is going to be docking here at the side. That's how you go in. Dock it in, and then you click it back. There's a lock there, and you can start hearing the fan is activated. So there's a ROG logo at the bottom that is lighted, and there's the fan at the back. Now you can see the fan is running. So the fan is turning, so it's running, you can hear the sound. Probably be louder when I'm playing some games. So that's how it looks like with the Aero adapter here at the back. So let's look at that. We have this armory crate, and that's where all the controls are. That's news. So console is where you trigger the custom settings and the air triggers. So again, this has what we call the air triggers that you tap on the phone. then you can see that how much level is there, and you can apply that. So it vibrates when you tap on it. So it's very nicely done. That's how you play with that. And that's on top of the fan, and you have system lighting, which you can change the lighting color that you want. That's on the back. That's the color. You can see. Okay. And there's many features that you can play with on this phone, which is why you buy a ROG. So you have game libraries, and the games are there. We'll have another round with the games. It's just a quick look at the unboxing, and then let's see what's behind. Right, so the rear camera is a 64 megapixel wide angle camera, main camera, which is actually running the Sony IMX686 sensor. But it's also paired with another ultra wide 13 megapixel second sensor, whereas the last camera is a macro camera, which I think hardly anyone will use. So I will go and test this out when I'm outdoor doing a shoot. I'll try the camera out. But on the front side, for the selfie cam, which is here, you can see that, it's a 24 megapixel front camera. So it says you can do live streaming, and it's good enough for that. I'll test it out whether it has good enough stabilization, and we'll have a look at that. So there you have it, just a quick unboxing and see what's in the box and how does the new ASUS ROG Phone 3 looks like on the front and the back. I'll be taking that out for a run, and maybe taking some vlog and some pictures, as well as be doing some gaming on this. So this is just a quick unboxing. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this, and follow me on my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.